adventurous and breathtaking landscape of Chapada Diamantina in Brazil, which used to be a diamond mining area. In 1985, it became a national park. Since then, it has been one of the most exquisite traveler destinations in the state of Bahia in Brazil. A lush green mountains, deep valleys, rivers, and cascading waterfalls are visible as far as the eye can see. One of the most iconic trails is the Fumaça Waterfall. To hike the Fumaça Waterfall is not for the faint of heart. It is a challenging trek that rewards those who are willing to push their limits with stunning view and a sense of accomplishment, which is 340 meters tall. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more adventures around the globe. Hiking through lush forests, crossing rocky streams, and navigating challenging area. Along the way, you'll encounter diverse flora and fauna, including vibrant orchids, mushrooms, towering palms, and elusive wildlife, as well as to visit Palmitile and Capivara waterfall. Both of them are also very attractive and vibrant. It is amazing to hike in this area. However, Chapada Diamantina has 7 different biodiversities. I encounter a rattlesnake and canina snake. The black with white stripe is canina snake, which is not a poisonous one, but it follows up human being and can bite, which can be harmful too. Nevertheless, the hiking trail is not that clear with indication, etc., as locals live on tourism, so therefore tour agencies and local guides do not provide any information for solo hikers. As a solo female traveler, I am always up for a challenge and eager to discover the beauty of nature on my own terms. And Chapada Diamantina offers just that: rugged landscape, breathtaking vistas, and freedom to explore. I am a mountain climber, so I am good at finding my way around in the wild nature. However, you have to be very good with your sense of direction in the nature, especially in very wild nature. It can be very dangerous too. I did Fumaça from below, which is a tough hiking for non-experienced hikers. That's why there aren't many people do this hike. I started from Lençóis. I stayed in nature, camping, exploring more in this area for 4 days. And 5th day, I hiked to the top of Fumaça Waterfall. The trail was astonishing. Finished up in Vale do Capão, as standing there in the presence of this natural wonder, I am reminded of the power and beauty of Mother Earth. The landscape is amazing, as from below as it from the top. And thank you for watching, and go ahead and ask anything come to mind. See you on next trail.